What's the meaning of bait and switch? Bait and switch. Bait and switch.
Bait and switch. Bait and switch. Bait and switch is a fraudulent marketing tactic used by businesses to lure customers with an attractive offer and then substitute it with a less desirable or more expensive product or service. The bait is often a promotional price or enticing advertisement that catches the consumer's attention, while the switch is a hidden condition or change in the terms of the offer. The goal is to manipulate consumers into purchasing a product or service that they wouldn't have otherwise bought. Bait and switch tactics can result in customer dissatisfaction, damage to brand reputation, and even legal consequences. Therefore, businesses should avoid using such unethical tactics to maintain customer trust and loyalty.